Welcome to MC Pipwala. Introduction. MC Pipwala is a leading plastic manufacturing and trading organization with extensive experience in the industry. Founded in 1904, we specialize in producing quality thermoplastic materials used for manufacturing a variety of products around the world. We employ state-of-the-art production processes and use an integrated approach to supply our clients. Additionally, we also provide custom plastic molding services for our customers' specific needs. Our range of products has enabled us to service various industries across India, including automotive, medical devices, retail packaging. We employ state-of-the-art production processes and use an integrated approach to supply our clients with detailed project plans including on-site assessment, research, design consultation and selection. Our commitment to excellence continues to drive superior quality and innovation in each project we undertake. We maintain an extensive catalog of standard plastic products such as polyethylene terephthalate, PET, HDPE, acrylic, PP, PS, etc.